If you would like to know how to get a digital BBL, please stay tuned for this video, as y'all will show y'all somewhere in this video how to get this done. It's your boy Q the Shooter, and I'm back with another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing y'all how I remove blemishes, how I skin retouch, and how I just overall make the final image look how anyone would want their final image to be. So please stay tuned for this tutorial. Right now, as you can see, I'll be using the patch tool to remove and just circle around anywhere that I feel should not be on the final image. But this process is going to take a little while, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through this process so that you don't have to sit here and just watch me circle. Now that I have removed all the blemishes, I'll be going to get my mixer brush tool so that I can go ahead and start my skin smoothing process, which you see on most of all of my pictures that give the skin that smooth, glossy look. First, I do want to say this is not something that my models ask me to do. I only do it when I know that it will look natural and they won't notice themselves. She don't even know that I did this because I just make sure that I do it so that it look natural. No one would be able to look at her picture and just say, oh, I can tell her body is retouched, because I make it look natural. But all you need is the liquify tool. You go resize the brush and you just squeeze in or pull out the areas that you want to do. It's literally that simple. Just squeeze in and pull out.